Have you ever wondered why we work so hard, only to find ourselves stuck in the same place financially? This is the essence of the rat race, a term that describes the frustrating cycle of working to pay bills, yet never quite achieving financial progress. Picture the metaphorical hamster wheel, spinning endlessly without going anywhere. That's the rat race in a nutshell. It's an exhausting, relentless pursuit of financial stability that keeps us tethered to jobs we might not love, living paycheck to paycheck, and feeling like we're never quite catching up. According to a recent survey, a staggering 70% of people feel trapped in this cycle, constantly chasing financial security but never quite reaching it. That's 7 out of every 10 individuals struggling to break free and gain control over their finances. Many people are trapped in this cycle, but it doesn't have to be this way. Let's delve into why financial independence matters. But what is financial independence, and why should it matter to you? Financial independence is more than just having money. It's about breaking free from the chains of living paycheck to paycheck. It's about having the freedom to make choices that aren't dictated by your bills or your debt. Imagine a life where your financial worries are a thing of the past. A life where you can pursue your passions, spend quality time with your loved ones, or even take that dream vacation without second-guessing your budget. That's the power of financial independence. Now I know what you're thinking. That sounds great, but is it really achievable? The answer is a resounding yes. With the right mindset, a clear plan, and a pinch of discipline, anyone can achieve financial independence. Financial independence can transform your life, but how do you get there? The first step is understanding your current financial situation. Knowing where you stand financially is the first step toward financial freedom. It's like embarking on a journey. You need to know your starting point before you can chart a course to your destination. First, let's talk about income. This isn't just your monthly paycheck, but also includes any bonuses, rental income, dividends, and any other sources. It's important to have a comprehensive view of all your income streams. Next, consider your expenses. These range from your daily coffee to your monthly rent or mortgage payments. Don't forget about occasional expenses like vehicle maintenance or annual insurance premiums. Now let's move on to debt. This includes credit card balances, student loans, car loans, and any other debts you may have. Finally, evaluate your savings. This includes money in your bank accounts, investments, retirement funds, and any other assets you own. There are various tools and checklists available online to assist you in this process. With a clear understanding of your finances, you can now set specific financial goals. Goal setting is a vital part of achieving financial independence. It's akin to setting your GPS before embarking on a journey. You need to know where you're going, and that's exactly what financial goals provide: direction. They allow you to track your progress and stay motivated as you inch closer to financial freedom. But it's not enough to just have goals. They need to be specific, measurable, and achievable. For instance, a vague goal like, "I want to save more money," won't cut it. Instead, aim for something like, "I want to save 20% of my income every month for the next 2 years." That's a goal you can track and work towards. And remember, the journey to financial independence isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. So break down your financial ambitions into short-term and long-term goals. Maybe your short-term goal is to clear off a credit card debt, while your long-term goal could be to build a retirement fund. With your goals in place, it's time to explore strategies for saving, investing, and creating passive income. Building wealth involves saving wisely, investing strategically, and creating passive income streams. Let's start by talking about savings. It's not about depriving yourself of every little pleasure. It's about making smart choices, like brewing your own coffee instead of buying that daily latte or bringing lunch from home. Remember, even these small savings add up over time. And the best part? Every penny saved is a penny that can be invested. Now, speaking of investments, let's demystify this a bit. Investing is simply making your money work for you. You could invest in stocks, bonds, or real estate. The choice depends on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Remember, the power of compound interest is on your side. Even a small amount invested today can grow significantly over time. The key is to start investing as early as possible and let your money grow. But saving and investing alone isn't enough. You also need to create passive income streams. Imagine earning money while you sleep, or while you're on vacation. That's the beauty of passive income. It's income that you earn without the need for ongoing work. There are many ways to generate passive income. You could invest in rental properties, create an online course, or write a best-selling ebook. You could start a blog or a YouTube channel or even develop a mobile app. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your creativity and willingness to invest time upfront. But remember, there's no get-rich-quick scheme here. Each of these methods requires effort, patience, and sometimes an initial investment. But once set up, these income streams can provide a steady flow of revenue, helping you inch closer to your financial independence goal. So start saving, invest wisely, and work towards creating your own passive income streams. It's a journey, not a sprint. Take one step at a time and you'll be surprised at how far you can go. Now that we've explored income generation, let's turn our attention to managing and reducing debt. Debt can be a major obstacle on the path to financial independence, but don't let it discourage you. Instead, let's transform this roadblock into a stepping stone. Start by understanding your debt. Not all debts are created equal. High-interest debts like credit card debts can grow out of control quickly. Prioritize these first. Next, create a debt repayment plan. It's like a roadmap that guides you out of debt land. Determine how much you can afford to pay each month. Even small amounts can make a big difference over time. Remember, it's important to stop accruing new debt while you're paying off the old. It's like digging a hole while trying to fill it up. Not very productive, right? Consider seeking professional advice if your debt feels overwhelming. There are many resources available to help you navigate this journey. Reducing debt is crucial, but so is diversifying your income streams. Diversifying your income can accelerate your journey to financial independence. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Instead, you're spreading them around, making your financial foundation more robust and resilient. So, what does income diversification look like? It can be as simple as having a side hustle or a part-time business. Maybe you're good at graphic design, so you freelance on weekends. Perhaps you love baking, so you start selling your delicious creations online. Or you might be savvy with social media, so you manage accounts for small businesses. These are just examples. The key is to find something you enjoy and are good at, that also has the potential to generate income. This way, not only do you have your regular job, but you also have other sources of money coming in. It's about creating multiple revenue paths leading to your financial independence. With diversified income streams, you're well on your way. But how do you stay on track? Having an action plan and the resilience to overcome challenges is key to achieving financial independence. So let's talk about creating that all-important step-by-step action plan. It's like a roadmap, guiding you from where you are now to where you want to be, financially independent and free from the rat race. Your action plan should be tailored to your unique circumstances and goals, but the general steps should include assessing your current financial situation, setting clear financial goals, implementing saving and investing strategies, managing your debt, and building multiple income streams. But remember, progress may be slow, and that's okay. The journey to financial independence is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a step closer to your goal. So, don't get disheartened if things don't change overnight. Keep tracking your progress and make adjustments as needed. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: challenges. Yes, there will be obstacles and fears along the way. Maybe you're afraid of taking risks, or you're worried about failing. These are common fears, but they should not be roadblocks on your journey. They are merely hurdles that you can overcome with perseverance and resilience. To inspire you, let's look at some success stories. Take the case of Jane, a single mother who was drowning in debt. She felt trapped in the rat race, but she didn't let her circumstances define her. Jane created a strict budget, paid off her high-interest debts, and started a small online business. It took her 5 years, but she eventually achieved her goal of financial independence. Then there's John, who was stuck in a job he hated. He dreamed of financial freedom, but he didn't know how to get there. John set clear financial goals, learned about investing, and diversified his income streams. He faced setbacks, but he didn't give up. Today, he's not only financially independent, but also doing a job he loves. These stories show that overcoming challenges is part of the journey, and every milestone achieved brings you closer to financial independence. Achieving financial independence is not a distant dream, but a reality within your reach. To make this journey less daunting, let's break it down into key milestones. The first significant milestone is having a positive net worth. This is when your assets outweigh your liabilities, a clear indication that you're moving in the right direction. Next, you'll aim to have enough savings to cover 6 months of living expenses. This emergency fund is your safety net. providing you with peace of mind knowing you can handle unexpected financial surprises. The third milestone is reaching halfway independence. This is when your passive income covers half of your living expenses. It's a significant marker indicating you're halfway to your ultimate goal. Finally, the grand milestone is when your passive income surpasses your living expenses. Yes, that's right. This is the point where work becomes optional, not obligatory. You've now reached true financial independence. Financial independence is achievable, and you're equipped with the knowledge to start your journey. Escaping the rat race and achieving financial independence is a journey worth embarking on. We've covered a lot of ground in this video, from understanding the confines of the rat race to the exhilarating freedom of financial independence. We've delved into assessing your financial health, setting clear goals, and strategizing savings and investments. We've also looked at the power of passive income, managing debts effectively, and the magic of multiple income streams. Remember, the essence of this journey is not about amassing wealth, but about gaining control of your time and life. It's about reducing stress and having the freedom to pursue your passions. It's about living life on your own terms. Don't let the complexities deter you. Start small, stay consistent, and gradually you'll see the transformation. Start your journey to financial independence today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help others escape the rat race too.